Hi friends, once again KT Sir is here from the channel KartiK Tuitions. In this video, we are going to study a new concept from the chapter Mensuration. So let's start with the video. Now here, we are going to talk about sector. Now basically, to understand the concept of sector, we are going to take the help of pizza. I hope you have seen a pizza. Now, when we try to take a slice from the pizza, we cut it from a center till two ends. So we get a slice of a pizza. Do you all agree? Now this is nothing else but a sector. Sir, I say sector is nothing else but a part of a circular region between the two radii and an arc. So here we get two sectors. One is a minor sector, another is major sector. I hope I am clear till here. Now the next concept comes is area of sector. Now to understand the area of a sector, we need two values. So first we need the value of radius, that is r, and the central angle, that is theta. So central angle क्या होता है? It is the angle made by the arc at the center. So this is denoted by theta. It is also known as measure of an arc. Now if you know these values, you can easily get the area of a sector by the formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. अच्छा याद करो पाई आर स्क्वायर किसका वैल्यू है? Yes, it is area of a circle. So basically theta upon 360 into area of a circle will give you area of minor sector. बट सोचो अगर तुमको एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर फाइंड करना है तो कैसे करोगे? सर थीटा फाइंड करके क्यों उतनी मेहनत करने की? As I told you, the formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square, and pi square is nothing but the area of the circle. So to get the area of major sector, we can use the concept area of circle minus area of minor sector. I hope you have understood this. Let's have a look at few sums. The radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of a sector associated with it. अभी देखो क्या क्या डेटा दिया है. एक तो अपने को रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल दिया है. नाउ रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल यानी आर दिया हुआ है. कितना दिया है? 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो राइट इट डाउन. देन measure of an arc of a circle is 54 degrees Celsius. Now when they say measure of an arc, that means they are talking about the central angle theta, that is 54 degree, and they will ask us to find the area of sector associated with it. That means area of sector पूछा है. अच्छा लेकिन देखो पाई का वैल्यू भी दिया है. ये टाइम पाई का वैल्यू क्या दिया है? 3.14. If the pi value is given as 3.14, in a calculation you will consider the same value, or else you can take either of the value, that is either 22 upon 7 or 3.14. But if it is mentioned in a sum, you have to always consider the same value for the calculation. So let's start with the sum. Now area of sector क्या होता है? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. अभी theta क्या है अपना? 54. So let us substitute 54 upon 360 into pi, that is 3.14 into r square. R क्या है अपना? 10. So into 10 square. So now this will become 3 upon 20 into 3.14 can be done as 314 upon 100 into 100. देखो 100 कट हो गया. Now here if you observe 314 और 20 को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. सर कैसे? 2 10s are 2 157s are. Now here we need to multiply 3 with 157, and in denominator we have 10. So 3 into 157 will give us 471 upon 10. So your final answer becomes 47.1 centimeter square. So the area of a sector is 47.1 centimeter square. I hope you understood this sum. Let's have a look at one more sum. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Area of a sector of a circle is 100 centimeter square. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. अभी देखो corresponding major sector के लिए तुम्हारे पास area of circle होना जरूरी है. तो इसमें तो दिया नहीं है, तो फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. तो सर क्या दिया है? एक तो अपने को रेडियस दिया है, that is r is given to us, and area of sector of the circle यानी area of minor sector is given to us as 100 centimeter square. Now first we need to find the area of circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. So it will become 3.14 into 10 square. Now this can be done as 3.14 into 100. Abhi when we multiply with 100, the two decimals will get shift. It will give us 314 centimeter square. So the area of circle we got it as 314 centimeter square. Now to get the area of major sector, the logic is what? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर। अभी एरिया ऑफ सर्कल तो मिल गया, कितना है 314। एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर कितना है 100, तो माइनस कर देते हैं, सो वी गेट इट एज 214 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। सो द एरिया ऑफ मेजर sector is 214 centimeter square. I hope you understood this sum also. Let's look at one more sum. The area of minor sector is 3.85 centimeter square and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree. Find the radius of the circle. अभी ये टाइम सम में अपने को एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर दिया है, that is 3.85 centimeter square, and the measure of its central angle, that is theta, is given to us as 36 degree. And they have asked us to find the radius of the circle. Now to get the radius, that is r, first we need to take the help of an area of sector. What is area of sector? Now what is the formula to find the area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now yahan we know the area of sector is 3.85 is equals to theta पता है क्या, हाँ it is 36, so 36 upon 360 into pi. Now this time pi is not given, we can take it as 22 upon 7 into r square. Do you all agree? Then next this will become 385 upon 100 is equals to 36 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square. Now r square इकडे बाकी सगळं तिकडे, so basically 385 into 360 into 7 upon you get 100 into 36 into 22, and that is equals to r square. Now let us simplify. See, 36 ones are 36 tens are. 1 0 will also get cancelled. So basically here you are left with what? 385 into 7 upon 10 into 22. Do you all agree? That is equals to r square. Now here we can divide it by 11. So 11 twos are 11 35s are. So we get 35 into 7 upon 20. That is 245 upon 20 is equals to r square. Now if you divide this, you get the value as 12.25. Now r square 12.25 तो r क्या हो जाएगा? We have to take the square root of 12.25. When we take the square root, you will get the value as 3.5 centimeter. So the radius of the circle you get it as 3.5 centimeter. I hope you have understood this sum also. Let's have a look at one more sum. Radius of the circle is 7 centimeter and measure of arc MBN is 60 degree. Find the area of the circle, area of sector O dash MBN and area of sector O dash MCN. Sir, ये क्या था? See, area of O dash MBN, that means they are talking about the sector O dash MBN, यानी area of minor sector की बात कर रहे वो लोग. And when they say area of O dash MCN, so that is they are talking about this sector O dash MCN. Now let's start with the sum. See, they have given us the radius r as 7 centimeter and measure of arc MBN, that is theta, is given to us as 60 degree. Now first they have asked us to find the area of the circle. What is the formula to get the area of a circle? Pi r square. Now here pi value is not given, so you can take the value of 22 upon 7 into r square, so that will become 7 into 7. Now 7 gets cancelled, so you get 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. So first part of the sum is over. Now next they have asked us to find the area of sector O dash MBN. So area of minor sector. What is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now pi r square क्या होता है? Area of a circle. Area of circle हमने already ऊपर find किया है, so we can directly substitute that value also. Now here we will write this as 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Now first 7 gets cancelled, 61s are 66s are. Now again we can reduce this. It is 2 3s are 2 11s are. So basically we get 77 upon 3. Now when you divide this, you get it as 25.67 centimeter square. So the area of minor sector you got it as 25.67 centimeter square. Now the last part of the sum is area of major sector. Now how do we get the area of major sector? It is area of circle minus area of minor sector. So here it will become 154 minus 25.67. Now when we subtract this, you get 128.33 centimeter square. So the area of sector O dash MCN will become 128.33 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this sum also. Let's look at one more interesting sum. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ is 14 centimeter, QR is 21 centimeter, find. Now again there are three parts of the sum. So let's first talk about area of part X. गौर से देखो, एक्स यानी कौन सा पार्ट, ये पार्ट क्या दिख रहा है, सेक्टर। सर आपको कैसे पता, देखो पी क्यू एंड क्यू टी विल बी द सेम and Q is our central angle, that is 90. So basically we know the value of R, we know the angle of theta. So we can easily get the value. So let's start. Now for part X, our R is 14 centimeter and theta is 90 degrees. Sir, kaise? Angle of a rectangle. Do you all agree? Now let's apply the formula. What is area of sector? It is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So that will become 90 upon 360 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into, now r value is 14, so it will become 14 into 14. Now 91s are 94s are, then 7 ones are 7 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, then 2 ones are 2 11s are. So basically it is 11 into 14, that will give us 154 centimeter square. So the area of part X is what? 154 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this. Now let's look at the second part of the sum, that is part Y. गौर से देखो, पार्ट वाई कौन सा है, सेक्टर ही है, यस। थीटा पता है बट रेडियस पता नहीं है, फाइंड कर सकते हैं, हाँ सर कैसे, देखो क्यू आर अपने को पता है, क्यू आर कितना है 21, बट गौर से देखोगे ना तो क्यू आर इज मेड अप ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, विच टू पार्ट्स, क्यू टी प्लस टी आर। नाउ इन दिस क्यू टी अपने को पता है कितना है 14, so basically 21 is equals to 14 plus TR. So TR is equals to 21 minus 14, that will give us 7 centimeter. देखो radius भी मिल गया. So for part Y, our R is 7 centimeter and theta is 90 degree. Since we are talking about our central angle and the new sector, so we have denoted by capital R. Now here again, area of part Y is nothing else but area of sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here 90 upon 360 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into capital R value is what? 7. That will become 7 into 7. Now 1 7 will get cancelled. 91s are 94s are. Again 2 2s are 2 11s are. So basically we get 77 upon 2. Now 77 upon 2 simplify karoge, so you'll get it as 38.5 centimeter square. So the area of part Y is 38.5 centimeter square. Now the last part, that is area of part Z. अभी ये तो कोई सेक्टर भी नहीं है, तो सर आंसर कैसे आएगा, कॉमन सेंस से। सर क्या मजाक कर रहे हो, गौर से देखो, it is a rectangle. Now in rectangle we have three parts, X, Y and Z. Now we can easily get the area of rectangle. Sir, kaise? What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Now we know the length, we know the breadth. So let us substitute the values. So it will become 21 into 14. Now when you multiply this, you get it as 294 centimeter square. देखो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आ गया. सो लेकिन पार्ट Z कैसे मिलेगा, अरे क्यों नहीं मिलेगा, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल में से पार्ट X और पार्ट Y को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, ऑटोमेटिकली जो पार्ट बचेगा दैट विल बी ऑफ पार्ट Z. सो हियर एरिया ऑफ पार्ट Z इज नथिंग एल्स बट area of rectangle minus area of part X plus area of part Y. So here we get 294 minus 154 plus 38.5. Now let's solve the bracket first. So it becomes 294 minus, when we add these two, you will get it as 192.5. So 294 minus 192.5 will give us 101.5 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this sum also. Let's have a look at one more interesting sum. Triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. LM is 14 centimeter. Three sectors are drawn with the vertices as center and the radius 7 centimeter. Find area of triangle LMN. सबसे पहले एक ही पार्ट की बात, कौन से टाइप का ट्राइंगल है, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की खासियत क्या होती है, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. नाउ फर्स्ट, टू गेट द एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल वी शुड नो द फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, किसी को याद है क्या? It is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side पता है क्या, हाँ, तो let's substitute. Now root 3 upon 4 into side is 14, so it is 14 into 14. Do you all agree? Now 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 7s are. Now root 3 can be written as 1.73 and 7 into 7 becomes 49. So 1.73 into 49 will give us the area of triangle LMNS, that 84.77 centimeter square. I hope I am clear till here. Now let's move to the second part. It is area of any one of the sectors. Now since it is an equilateral triangle, we know in equilateral triangle each angle is 60 degree. So here our R is 7 centimeter and our theta is 60 degree. So let's get the area of sector. What is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Now देखो एक 7 तो कट हो गया, 61 जा 66 जा. Now again we can simplify, 2 3 जा 2 11 जा. So basically we get 77 upon 3. थोड़ी देर पहले भी देखो ऐसा वैल्यू आया था. So basically it will give us 25.67 centimeter square. So the area of any one sector we got it as 25.67 centimeter square. Now the next part of the sum is total area of all three sectors. Now as I told you, for all three sectors theta is same and even the r is same. So basically their areas will be equal. Now since areas are equal, we already know the area of one sector. Now what is the area of one sector? We got it as 25.67. So therefore area of all three sectors is equals to 3 into area of any one sector, that is 25.67. Now when we multiply this, you will get it as 77.01 centimeter square. So area of all three sectors, you got it as 77.01 centimeter square. And the last part, they ask us to find the area of shaded region. Sir area of shaded region कौन सा है? देखो ये. अभी ये कैसे मिलेगा? इसके पहले वाले के सम के साथ को रिलेट करो. पूरा इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है, उसमें 3 सेक्टर्स है. तो इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का एरिया पता है? हाँ. तीनों सेक्टर्स का एरिया पता है? हाँ. तो अगर सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पार्ट भी मिल जाएगा. सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एलिमेंट minus area of all three sectors. So that will give us 84.77 minus 77.01. Now when we subtract this, you will get it as 7.76 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region is 7.76 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this sum as well as concept. If you are enjoying my videos, do share it with your friends. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.